Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Vivo Y21S. And to do this, first we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down, and in this case let's go for settings. Make sure you're on top of the page or from the point that you want to start capturing the full page screenshot or scroll shot, however you call it. Let's click on the volume down button and the power key at the same time. This will make a normal screenshot. And then you should see a long screenshot under this pop-up. Let's try it again. Here it will load and begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on save anytime to save the screenshot on a certain point. But I'm gonna go to the bottom and here click save, open a pop-up, and here's a full page screenshot that we just made. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.